Welcome to MultiGP News. Forget bringing your laptop to the field. The Speedy B USB adapter is all you need. Top YouTube review channel RC Addict gives us a quick overview and setup in this week's Tech Corner. Plus, find out the final races on the calendar for the 2018 MultiGP Regional Series and the remainder of wildcard events left before the big championship. All this on MultiGP News. You asked for change and we listened. The new format for MultiGP News will now include trending topics, content, and videos produced by pilots in the FPV community and viewers like you. Whether you've covered a recent race, reviewed a new product, want to show us your build, or just have a cool video to show off, MultiGP News will now serve as a central hub for pilots to expose their videos involving anything and everything FPV. From tips and tricks you need to know about, to the latest debate topic to sweep our community. With that being said, let's dive straight into our first segment this week in our Tech Corner, where we introduce Central Pennsylvania quad racer Seth PV Griggs, or as many know him as the pilot behind the popular YouTube review channel RC Addict. Seth gives us a quick overview of the Speedy B Bluetooth USB adapter and shows us how simple it is to configure your flight controller settings directly from your phone or tablet without having to plug into your computer every time. Check it out.
Hi guys, I'm Seth Griggs. You might know me from my YouTube channel, The RC Addict, or from MultiGP Racing. My pilot handle is SethPV. Today we're going to be checking out this little Speedy B Bluetooth USB adapter. Well, let's get to the bench and check it out. So this little guy takes 6 to 30 volts, so 2 to 7S. So I just have a 4S battery here, so I'm just going to plug it in. And basically all you have to do is plug it into the USB of your quad. You download the Speedy B app, which is available for iOS and Android. And then you just hit scanning, making sure your Bluetooth is on. It found the little adapter here. It connects up, and then you have full beta flight control. It has all the settings on here that you need, including receiver, and everything works. So you can do a full beta flight setup on here, as well as Butterflight also does work. And the app is really full featured and even has a working CLI. So for example, you can even change things like your BTX channel in here if you have smart audio hooked up. Speedy B also has an F4 flight controller with a PDB built in, which is basically this adapter built into the board as well, so you don't need a separate adapter, you can just connect to it. But having this adapter is very, very handy because you only need one and you can plug it in quad to quad and it doesn't have to stay on it. And it's about $20. It's a very, very handy thing to have at a race, especially for MultiGP International Open 2018. I know I pulled this out and used this myself probably about 10 to 15 times. It was definitely very helpful in changing VTX channels, changing things in the OSD, for example, adding a pilot name if you didn't have one. Overall, it's just a very, very versatile tool, and I highly recommend that you get one. So that's going to end the little quick segment on the Speedy B Bluetooth adapter.
If you have a story you'd like featured on an upcoming episode, email your videos to news@multigp.com. Here are the next upcoming events on the schedule. That's it for this week's news. Tune in next week as Colby and Charlie give us an in-depth race analysis of Mark McGap-Bramer's stunning 8-lap run. Also, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to MultiGP News and click that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching. I'm Kalara Maynade, reporting for MultiGP News.
If you like this video, press the like button below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching! If you're interested in being showcased in the next episode of MultiGP News, please contact us at news@multigp.com.